Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, the channel where we decode tomorrow's technology in clear, powerful insights that help you stay ahead of the creative curve. In today's episode, we enter one of the most transformative shifts in visual media: artificial intelligence in photo editing. What once required hours of precision retouching, layers, and manual selection can now happen in seconds. These tools don't just assist creativity, they redefine it, accelerating vision from thought to image almost instantly. We're not just talking about Photoshop anymore. We're talking about the next generation of image editors, tools so powerful, so intuitive, that they make Photoshop feel like the beginning of an era and now ending. The most established name in this revolution remains Adobe Photoshop, now supercharged by Adobe Firefly AI. This integration is not a gimmick. It's a complete rethinking of Photoshop's foundation. Firefly brings in generative fill, a feature that allows users to remove, replace, or expand parts of an image simply by typing what they want to appear. Want to extend a mountain range, remove an object, or turn a day shot into a dramatic night scene? The AI interprets text instructions and generates realistic results that merge seamlessly with the original photo. Firefly also adheres to Adobe's ethical data standards, ensuring generated content is commercially safe. It operates on a credit-based system within Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, starting at about $20 per month. Its major strength is the balance between manual precision and AI freedom. The limitation? Its learning curve remains steep for beginners, and the subscription model can become expensive for high-volume use. Still, for professionals working in commercial photography, design, or advertising, it represents the most stable and feature-rich AI editing environment available today. As the landscape evolves, a very different philosophy emerges with Luminar Neo. While Adobe emphasizes control and complexity, Luminar emphasizes emotion and atmosphere. It focuses on how an image feels rather than how it's technically constructed. Luminar's AI identifies subjects, skies, depth, and lighting, automatically adding cinematic enhancements like golden light, haze, or dynamic clouds. Within seconds, dull images become rich, film-like scenes. It's particularly favored by travel and landscape photographers who want dramatic visuals without extensive technical adjustments. Available as a one-time purchase or subscription starting around $79, Luminar Neo's limitation is in pixel-level editing precision. Yet its advantage is in speed and storytelling. It captures the aesthetic of professional color grading with minimal effort. Perfect for creators who care more about mood than micro-detail. Not every creator wants to install software or maintain complex systems, and that's where Pixlr shines. A browser-based editor, Pixlr is accessible on any device and integrates AI-powered tools like instant background removal, smart upscaling, and auto-retouch. The interface is intuitive enough for casual users while offering surprising depth for small creative teams. Free users can perform most essential edits, while the premium version, starting at around $7 a month, unlocks higher resolution exports and more advanced AI effects. Pixlr's limitation lies in its simplicity. It's not built for detailed compositing or raw file manipulation, but for social media creators, marketers, or educators, it's fast, lightweight, and efficient. In a world where content velocity matters, Pixlr fits perfectly into workflows that need results, not complexity. Imagen AI takes a completely different route, focusing on workflow acceleration rather than visual manipulation. Built for professional photographers who process thousands of images, such as wedding or event shooters, Imagen doesn't generate new content. Instead, it learns your personal editing style. By analyzing your Lightroom catalog, it understands how you adjust exposure, tone, and color, then applies those same edits across an entire batch of photos. What once took days can now be completed in minutes. The pricing model is based on use, about 5 cents per image, and while it doesn't replace creative decisions, it saves immense time. The main limitation is its dependence on having an established editing style to learn from. For studios managing deadlines or high client volumes, Imagen functions as an intelligent assistant that replicates your artistic fingerprint flawlessly. For creators who prioritize realism, Radiant Photo 2 stand apart. Its AI is designed not to invent, but to reveal, enhancing color, contrast, and tone while preserving natural aesthetics. Unlike generative editors, it doesn't fabricate elements. Instead, it corrects exposure, balances skin tones, and optimizes lighting in ways that make images appear true to life. Radiant Photo operates locally on your computer, ensuring client privacy and avoiding cloud reliance. A one-time license costs around $129. While it lacks AI generation tools, it excels at authenticity. For portrait and commercial photographers, Radiant Photo delivers consistent, professional-level refinement that respects the integrity of the original capture. ON1 Photo RAW 2025 represents the bridge between traditional and AI-driven editing. It offers raw file management, non-destructive editing, and layered compositing, much like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop combined, but with built-in generative AI. You can remove unwanted objects, fill empty space, or extend backgrounds seamlessly. ON1 also includes cataloging, noise reduction, and portrait retouching modules, creating an all-in-one ecosystem. Its perpetual license, starting at about $169, gives it a major advantage over subscription-based competitors. The generative AI results may not always match Adobe's precision, but its versatility and ownership model make it appealing for professionals who want independence and flexibility without recurring fees. Fotor takes a broader approach, targeting small businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers. Its strength is accessibility. Anyone can use it. The platform provides AI-driven tools for background removal, product enhancement, and visual branding templates. It even generates entire promotional visuals from simple product photos. The free plan covers basic editing, while the Pro subscription at around $9 a month unlocks high-resolution exports and advanced effects. Fotor's main limitation is its lack of granular editing control. It's not suited for raw workflows or high-end retouching. However, for entrepreneurs needing fast, professional visuals without technical skill, Fotor acts as a digital design partner that makes creative independence possible. When it comes to portraits and restoration, YouCam Enhance brings AI closer to personal use. Built primarily for mobile, it focuses on improving selfies, portraits, and old photographs. The AI detects faces, refines lighting, removes noise, and restores blurred or damaged photos with impressive accuracy. It is fast, accessible, and ideal for influencers or content creators who need instant improvement without professional retouching. Starting at about $6 per month, YouCam's biggest limitation is that it offers little manual control. But for social-first users who depend on visual clarity, it represents an effortless bridge between AI enhancement and mobile convenience. The next tool, Aftershoot, focuses on the unseen but essential part of photography, culling. For professionals shooting hundreds or thousands of images in a single event, sorting and selecting the best ones can take hours. Aftershoot uses machine learning to identify blinks, duplicates, blurred frames, and off-focus shots, automatically surfacing the strongest images. Once culling is done, its AI applies your custom editing style, learned from your past work, to deliver a consistent batch ready for export. Priced at around $15 monthly, Aftershoot isn't built for creative editing, but for operational speed. For professional studios, it eliminates one of the most time-consuming stages of production, making client delivery faster and more consistent. Finally, there is Picsart, the social-era image powerhouse. Unlike traditional editors, Picsart blends AI image generation, face swapping, background creation, and design templates into one cloud-based creative suite. It's built for speed, trend adaptation, and experimentation. With a Pro plan starting near $12 monthly, it caters to digital publishers, marketers, and creators who produce large volumes of content. Its main limitation lies in file depth. It's not a raw or precision editing platform, but its flexibility, built-in templates, and social focus make it an ideal choice for fast-paced content production. Picsart thrives in a world where creativity needs to be instant, adaptive, and shareable. Taken together, these 10 AI photo editing tools illustrate a profound transition in how visual content is made. The industry has moved beyond software as a tool set. AI has turned it into a collaborative partner. Each platform targets different needs, from Adobe's creative precision to Imagen's automation, Luminar's artistry, or Aftershoot's operational efficiency. But they all share a common thread: the fusion of human intention and computational creativity. Pricing varies widely, but the choice now depends less on budget and more on creative philosophy. Do you want full manual control, or do you want an assistant that interprets your intent instantly? In 2025, both options coexist, and for the first time, neither demands compromise. What's remarkable is how quickly these technologies have matured. A few years ago, automated editing was a novelty. Today, it's a necessity. AI doesn't eliminate artistic vision, it amplifies it by handling repetitive, technical, or time-consuming tasks. These systems give creators more time to focus on storytelling, mood, and emotion. They democratize quality, making professional-level editing accessible to people who might never have learned Photoshop. And for established professionals, they represent a massive leap in productivity. As we step back, it's clear that the term Photoshop on steroids isn't exaggeration, it's understatement. These AI tools redefine what it means to edit. The process is no longer about patience and precision alone. It's about collaboration between the creator and the machine. AI listens, learns, and generates with a precision that was once unthinkable. The result is an ecosystem where imagination flows directly into execution, faster, cleaner, and more intelligent than ever before. As we've seen today, the evolution of AI photo editing is more than technological advancement. It's a redefinition of artistry itself. From the intricate depth of Adobe Firefly to the efficiency of Imagen, the realism of Radiant Photo, or the speed of Pixlr and Fotor, every innovation represents a new layer in the creative evolution of our age. Whether you're a seasoned photographer, a content strategist, or a digital entrepreneur, these tools mark the beginning of an era where creativity is measured not by time spent, but by vision expressed. If today's exploration expanded your view of what's possible, share which tool you think could reshape your creative process. And remember, we're just at the starting line of what AI will bring to the world of visual storytelling. Subscribe and stay with us as we continue decoding the technologies that are rewriting the rules of creation, automation, and imagination itself. This is Bite-Sized Future, where tomorrow becomes clear one episode at a time.